as you guys all know, the non-spermatopsida was divided into the two, between into the four groups. First was the Psilopsida, Lycopsida, alright, Sphaerocida and Ctenopsida. So this one, Psilopsida, is basically not have true leaves, roots, alright, but these three remaining having the true, which means true. What does it mean? I'm going to discuss. So Psilopsida is the first. So as you guys all know what I told you guys, Tracheophytes having the true roots and stem and leaves, but except the Psilopsida. Alright. So if we talk about their germination one, so their sporophyte generation is dominant, which means it basically occur for a long time. Sporophyte is basically diploid generation, and in the bryophyte there was a gametophyte was a dominant generation, but here it is sporophyte. One thing I want to tell you guys, if this is a single leaf, general I'm just telling you guys, and it is consisted of a single vein that is called a microphyllous leaf, and leaf which consists of many veins that is called the megaphyllous. Alright. So in Lycopsida, Sphaerocida, they are single leaf, and more than one leaf, which is a Pteropsida. You can take the example. So they have both type of plant, monoecious as well as the dioecious. Monoecious, which means having more, which means in one plant there are two sex organ. Alright, so that is a bisexual. And on there is like on separate plant. If for example if you had two plants, so one sex organ will be on first one and second will be on the second one, so that is called the dioecious. Not dioecious, but the unisexual, because they are not on the same and they are on the same, so that is the bisexual. So but if for example if there is a plant which is a monoecious, and that is also called a bisexual, I'm talking about this, and they are having the male flower and the female flower. So this flower is having the exception. What? The flower is having the exception. Like the flower will be then the unisexual. The flower will be the unisexual. So that is what set is the male flower we are calling as a staminate, and female as a stellate. Alright, monoecious, bisexual, but the flower on the single plant will be called as a unisexual. So this was about the little bit general characteristics of the tracheophytes. So in the next video we are going to discuss about the first group of the tracheophytes, that is a Psilopsida. Then we are going to discuss these four